best dual sport motorcycle for beginners, Suzuki DR650. The world of motorcycling beckons with promises of adventure, freedom, and exploration. For beginners, selecting the right motorcycle is a pivotal decision that can profoundly influence their journey. The Suzuki DR650, renowned for its versatile performance, accessible power, and beginner-friendly features, stands out as the ultimate dual-sport motorcycle for those setting forth on their off-road adventures. With its balanced performance, rugged design, and rider-focused attributes, the DR650 provides an ideal platform for beginners to commence their journey of skill development, excitement, and dual-sport riding without feeling overwhelmed. Potent power and off-road capability. The Suzuki DR650 is powered by a robust 644cc, air-cooled, single-cylinder engine. This power plant offers a harmonious blend of power and accessibility, delivering ample performance for on-road cruising and off-road exploration. Rugged design and trail-ready features. The DR650 boasts a rugged and purposeful design, featuring long travel suspension, spoked wheels, and substantial ground clearance. These elements equip it to tackle dirt trails, rocky paths, and challenging off-road terrain with confidence. Comfortable ergonomics and adventure-oriented layout. The DR650 is thoughtfully designed for rider comfort. It offers an upright riding position that ensures ease during extended rides and off-road adventures. The generously padded seat, wide handlebars, and rider-friendly ergonomics enhance the overall riding experience. Responsive handling and off-road mastery. The Suzuki DR650 is celebrated for its nimble handling and off-road capabilities. Its lightweight chassis, capable suspension, and agile characteristics make it easy for novice riders to confidently navigate the bike in demanding conditions, whether it's conquering challenging trails or exploring remote terrains. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety remains paramount for beginner riders, and the DR650 often comes equipped with features like handguards, skid plates, and an upright riding posture that enhance safety and rider confidence. These features instill trust in novice riders as they learn to master the art of dual-sport riding. Versatility in riding scenarios. While the DR650 excels in off-road adventures, it is versatile enough to handle various riding situations. Novice riders can comfortably use it for daily commutes, city rides, and extended trips, making it a well-rounded dual-sport motorcycle. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Suzuki brand and the dual-sport lifestyle create a welcoming community that warmly embraces beginners. Joining this community offers aspiring riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for off-road exploration and the DR650's capabilities. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Suzuki DR650 encourages skill development as beginner riders build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their off-road riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of dual-sport riding. Cost-effective adventure. The DR650 is known for its affordability and cost-effective ownership. It offers an excellent balance between price, performance, and capability, making it an ideal choice for those looking to embark on off-road adventures without a substantial financial commitment. Customization options and personalization. The DR650 offers various aftermarket accessories and customization options, allowing riders to tailor the motorcycle to their individual preferences. Whether it's adding luggage racks, auxiliary lights, or other accessories, the DR650 can be personalized to reflect the rider's unique style. Conclusion. The Suzuki DR650 epitomizes the spirit of dual-sport riding and Suzuki's commitment to providing the perfect dual-sport motorcycle for beginners. With its potent power, rugged design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the DR650 offers an immersive gateway to the world of dual-sport riding without overwhelming novice riders. By choosing a Suzuki DR650 as their first motorcycle, beginners embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for adventure, exploration, and the thrill of conquering diverse terrains on two wheels.